We set out with our dive team to Nusa Penida to create the foundation of the Blue Coral Garden. From the shore, we carry the giant blue letters into the water and tow them by boat to the site. On the white sandy seabed, our guides secure them in place, the beginning of a future reef. Then, as a team, we attach the very first living corals. Small fragments today, but soon they will grow into a vibrant garden and home for marine life. The idea is simple. Every guest can be part of this story. Plant your coral, and your mark will remain here for decades, beneath the turquoise waters of Nusa Penida. Blue Coral Garden, not just a reef, but living art created together.